All right, so we've been doing compound probability, and we are now looking at how we can determine outcomes from a sample set, or how to create sample sets and do outcomes from tables, lists, and tree diagrams. And we've already talked about this a little bit in class, and I'm going to go through this handout with you and make sure we understand what we're doing here. So Sarah is going on a vacation. She is packing 3 different color shirts: white, blue, and pink, 2 colored shorts, khaki and denim, and 2 pairs of sandals, brown and black. What is the probability that she will pack a blue shirt, khaki pants, and brown sandals? Now, we can't do a table here because we have 3 different things that we are doing. We've got shirts, pants, and sandals. You'll see as we go on through that we'll be doing a 2-way table to represent some of this, but we can't do a table on this one because we're doing 3 things, all right? So we're going to come over here and do our tree diagram first, because the list is always easier to do from your tree diagram or your table. And since we don't have a table, we're going to come over here and do our tree diagram first. So our tree diagram, and I'm going to go this way with it. They can be done from top to bottom, but I like to do them from left to right. So the first thing we have are shirts. All right, we have our shirts, and our shirt colors are white, blue, and pink. Okay. After we pick our shirts, we're going to pick a shirt. If we pick a white shirt, then we're going to pick shorts. Okay. Sorry. I love my erasable pens. Don't forget, though, they disappear if they get hot. Our short colors are khaki and denim. Now I'm going to have to put a khaki and a denim short for each color shirt, because if I pick a blue shirt, I could pick khaki or denim. If I pick a pink shirt, I can pick khaki or denim. After we pick our shorts, then we're going to pick our sandals. All right, and so then we're going to pick our sandals, and we have 2 pair of sandals that we can choose from. We have brown and black. And so now each one of these gets a brown and a black, because after I pick my shirt and I pick my shorts, I have to pick my sandals. So I still have 2 pair of sandals to choose from each time. So brown or black, brown or black, brown or black, brown or black. And once I have that, my outcomes for this particular event, my outcomes are all right here. These are all the possible outcomes. These are how many different combinations or outfits she would have from those clothes in her suitcase. Okay, she could do a white shirt, khaki shorts, brown sandals, or a white shirt, khaki shorts, black sandals. White shirt, denim shorts, brown. White shirt, denim shorts, black. So she could, these are all the combinations. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different outcomes. She has 12 outcomes there. All right. If we come over here to our list, now we can make our list based off of this. And the way we do that is we start here and we go white, khaki, brown, white, khaki, black. So I'm going to come over here and list. We could have white, khaki, brown, white, khaki, black, or we can do white, denim brown or white denim black, white denim brown or white denim black. Getting all my colors out here. Black khaki brown, black khaki black. So black khaki brown or black khaki and black. All right. And then we could go, get my colors going. Black denim brown or black denim black, black denim brown or black denim black. Pink khaki brown or pink khaki black, pink khaki brown or pink khaki black. And our last one, pink denim brown. That doesn't look very different, does it? Pink denim black, pink denim brown or pink denim black. So if you notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 outcomes. Let's put 12. Let's change that word. 12 combinations. Outcomes, combinations. All right. And again, we can't do a table on that one, so let's move on to the next one. Coach Blunt is thinking about ordering new uniforms for the track team. She can choose between 3 colors for shirts, purple, white, silver, and 2 colors for shorts, black and silver. What is the probability of her choosing a uniform with black shorts? Hold on a minute. We got to go back up here a second. We didn't answer our question. Here's the question. What is the probability that she will pick a blue shirt, khaki pants, and brown sandals? A blue shirt, khaki pants, and brown sandals. Okay? So, looking right here. Blue shirt, khaki pants, brown sandals is right here. Blue shirt, khaki pants, brown sandals. Here's what we want right here. Blue shirt, khaki pants, brown sandals. Blue shirt, khaki pants, brown sandals. So the probability of that happening is 1 out of 12. 1 out of 12. The probability that she will pick a blue shirt, khaki pants, and brown sandals is 1 out of 12. Let's go ahead and change that. Let's put that in our calculator. Hit our number, our N over D button. 1 out of 12. Enter. Hit the conversion key. That's 0.083. So that's 0.08 as a decimal, which when we move that, we just take that and multiply it by 100. It's 8.3, so we're just going to call that 8%. Which, if she did that, and we'll go ahead and put the word here, that's unlikely, because it is less than 50%. Okay? Now let's go on down here. Coach Blunt is thinking about ordering. Okay, so we've read that. Let's go ahead and underline our question. What is the probability of her choosing a uniform with black shorts? So let's first look at all of our outcomes. Let's look at all of our outcomes. All right, so we have shirts and shorts. So to create our table, to come over here. This is a lot like Punnett squares in science. I don't think you've done those yet. We have shirts and we have shorts. All right. So our shirt colors are purple, white, and silver. Purple, white, and silver. And our short colors are black and silver. All right. Sorry. Got my paper all out of the way, didn't I? Black and silver. So now we've got our table set up. So our combinations here, we can have purple and black, purple and silver. I'm gonna make that a little bit darker. White and black, white and silver, silver and black, silver and silver. And right here, this is our combinations. These are our combinations. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 outcomes. All right. Now this is easy to do your list from, because you're just going to come and list these. Purple, black, purple, silver, white, black, white, silver, silver, black, silver, silver. Six outcomes. Now let's do our tree diagram. So our tree diagram, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick our shirts. Our shirt colors are purple, white, and silver. Once we pick our shirts, we have to pick our shorts. Our short colors are black and silver. So each one of those gets a black and silver. So our outcomes here, purple, black, purple, silver, white, black, white, silver, silver, black, silver, silver. I did not list those up here on the first one because I did not have enough room. But this right here shows all of your outcomes. This actually this tells you how many you have. This is the number you have, but these are the possible combinations. So actually this tells you the number of outcomes. These are your combinations. That tells you your combinations. These are your number of outcomes. You can actually count all the way to the right on a tree diagram. On a tree diagram, let's write a note down here. On a tree diagram, this is not to be confused with a tree map that we use for thinking maps. On a tree diagram, the outcomes are on the far right or the bottom. Okay, make sure you keep that in mind. Now, let's go back to our question. The question asks us, what is the probability of your choosing with black shorts? So, we want black shorts. Well, here's all of our different... We can look in all three places. And we see that the probability of choosing black shorts is 3 out of 6, which simplifies to 1/2. So that's 50%, 0.5 as a decimal, as likely as not. That's an even chance. An even chance, as likely as not. Okay, I'm going to do one more, and then I'm going to let you finish these, and then I will post the key for you to look at later. Travel agent plans trips for tourists from Chicago to Miami. He gives them 3 ways to go from town to town: airplane, bus, train. Once the tourists have arrived, there are 2 ways to get to the hotel: hotel van or taxi. What is the probability that the customer will choose the option with the taxi? So here's our question we're going to come back to at the end. So first, let's do our table. So we have from town to town, and hotel to hotel, or to the hotel. So from town to town, I can move this line over. From town to town, we can go by airplane, bus, or train. We can go by airplane, bus, or train. And then to the hotel, we can go by van or taxi. So our combinations here are airplane, van, airplane, taxi, bus, van, bus, bus, taxi, train, van, train, taxi. So here are our outcomes. Those are your outcomes. This is also called the sample space. We need to make sure we get that vocabulary in our head. Let's go ahead and put us an arrow right here. This is our sample space. That's our sample space. Now we can list them. Airplane, van. Sorry, this should be an A. Airplane, taxi. That should be an A. Bus, van, bus, taxi. Train, van, train, taxi. So we have 6 outcomes here. / combinations. Now let's do our tree. So the first thing we do, we're going from town to town. So we can go by airplane, bus, or train. And then we can go van or taxi. Van or taxi. Van or taxi, which gives us airplane, van, airplane, taxi, bus, van, bus, taxi, train, van, train, taxi. This is your number of outcomes. This is your combos. This is also your sample space. I squeezed that in there. But here, again, we have 6. Now let's go back to our question. What is the probability that the customer would choose an option with a taxi? So we're looking for options with taxis. So our options with taxis is 3 out of 6, which is 1/2. That's 50%. 0.5 as a decimal. That's equally likely as not. Put all that in there just so we know all the different ways that we can express that. All right, so I've done 1 through 3. You're going to do 4 through 6, and I will have the key posted. Again, make sure you write down questions or let me know if you have any questions.